is Monday, March 22nd. I am sitting at my computer finishing a homework assignment before I go to work. I have to leave at 9:45 and it's like 9:20. I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast, but this is just going to be another weekly vlog. The weather in Boston has completely turned around. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just so excited because it's warm out. I'm actually wearing shorts to work, which is wild that it's only the end of March and I can finally start doing that. But yeah, worked out this morning and then I showered. That's why my hair is wet. And I have a good lunch packed. I work from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So only 7 hours, which is nice. So I'm walking to work. It's only about like a 10-minute walk, but I just got the best news ever. Basically, I was supposed to work from 10 to 5 and then I checked my shift and it said I only work 10 to 3. So I'm just in the best mood, not because I don't love my job. I love working with the dogs and honestly, most of the time it doesn't even feel like work, but it's just that fun feeling when you realize you're gonna get off early and I'm like, it's such a beautiful day. And my roommate Allison texted me that she wanted to hang out because we have this grassy area right across the street from where we live where we can just lay out blankets and lay in the sun and read a book. So I'm really excited that I can join her because I think the high today is like 65, which is so nice. And yeah, I looked at my shift for what I get to do today. And it looks like they have me going to the dog park and doing like big little let-outs where we just take all the dogs to go out and pee and poop. And then I'm also doing some shop walks where I just take a couple of the dogs from the shop, from like the doggy daycare, and take them for a walk. So yeah, it looks like a really good day. So it is like 1:45. I got off work a whole hour and 15 minutes early. We just didn't have that many dogs and it was a really slow day. So yeah, I'm in like a really good mood. I want to go home and change because a dog peed on me at the dog park. But other than that, I am gonna hang out with my roommate Allison in the grass patch. I'm gonna finish that homework and yeah. It's been a couple hours and I'm making this salad. It's got like kale and spinach and carrots, and then I was gonna chop up some grape tomatoes and a avocado because I just got my blanket and a couple books and we're gonna go sit outside in the sunshine because I finished my public health assignment. And yeah, it just feels like a good day. I feel like I'm eating well, got off work early. I'm like, mood is high, and I love when a week starts off this way, but I feel like as the week goes on, I get more tired and more work down, which I guess that's how most weeks probably are for everyone. But anyway, yeah, I'm excited to eat a salad and read in the sunlight. Gotta put my hair back, but yeah. It's Tuesday, March 23rd. I'm home alone. My roommate Allison is at work and my other roommate Diana, she just doesn't appear to be home. But I'm in my living room right now, which I realize I never vlog in any room in my house aside from my own because one, our house is a little messy for my liking. Most of the furniture isn't mine, and if I had it my way, I feel like we'd have a lot less clutter and the house would be clean like 24/7. One of my other roommates agrees with me, but alas, I think that's living with roommates. I woke up this morning and was rewatching pulmonary lectures because I have a test coming up, and I think I'm gonna do a deep clean of the house just because I'm home alone so I can blast music. I'm going to go to Trader Joe's later and get some groceries, and then I have 3 lectures to attend virtually. But today it seems, as of late, Tuesday, Thursday, I've been staying home and attending class over Zoom just because I'm a lot more productive at home. I'm able to clean, do laundry, get groceries, run errands, and just like kind of be in my own bubble. But it's another beautiful, nice day. It seems like it's blue skies out. I don't know if you guys can see that. And yeah, I'm just like, I kind of get really excited when I'm home alone because I feel like I can just be loud and play my own music and just walk around in my underwear, you know? So that is the vibe for this Tuesday. But yeah, later I'm going to record next week's episode of the podcast. It's just going to be like a catch-up time with me because it's my 14th episode, if you guys can believe that. It literally blows my mind. I don't know why that I'm keeping up with it and we're on the 14th episode, but I'm going to just kind of sit down for an hour and talk about how life has been school-wise, work-wise, and what my future plans are because things are changing like I didn't expect. So if you're interested in a more personal update, I guess you can tune in next Sunday. That'll be the 28th for that podcast episode. But I guess I could show you guys the house because I've never really done a tour. I see my roommate Allison's cat over there. I want to show her real quick. I don't want to invade... Oh, yawn. I don't want to invade my roommate Allison's privacy, so I won't show her room. But this is her kitty, Margot. She's our 4th roommate, I suppose, because I live with 2 other girls. You're very cute. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, look at you. Oh. I would say it's Margot's debut, but she's been in the blog before. So anyway, this is my room. It's very messy. You guys are familiar with it. And then we have like the bathroom, which I haven't shown too much. It's not very big. And then my roommate Allison's room. This is the kitchen where I do the little grocery hauls that are all the same. That's why I've kind of stopped doing them. It was Allison's birthday recently, so she got some flowers. There's the refrigerator. And then this house has a bajillion doors. Like there's that corridor and then another door that leads into our like dining room area. Like I said, it's really messy and there's a lot of like artistic painting stuff that isn't mine, so I just like can't do anything about it. And then this is our living room with some furniture. And then I love how many windows there are because I don't feel like our house gets that great of light. I really like how light my room is, but we have a fireplace and a TV, so really can't complain too much. And then the entrance to our house is down that way. There's a curtain we hang, I think, to keep heat in, but down those stairs is the entrance to the house. So yeah, that is just kind of the space I live in. I wanted to do a room tour, but I think when I moved here, I was initially a bit shy. So I need to make my bed still. My kavu fell in the middle of the night and I'm in my underwear. So Tuesday vibes, am I right? The last thing you guys saw from Monday was I had a little picnic outside with Allison, and I kind of just briefly showed two of the books I'm reading. I'm rereading Tiny Beautiful Things by Cheryl Strayed. Highly recommend it. It's just like an advice column booklet collection of sorts, and it makes me cry. It's just like so good. And then Allison lent me her copy of Little Women, which is so dang thick. I'm a little nervous that I won't finish it or something, but I'm really gonna try because the writing is a bit old school as it was literally written in the 1800s. But if you haven't seen the movie Little Women, it's phenomenal and you should go watch it and it'll inspire you to want to read the book if you haven't already. So those are the two books I'm keeping on my nightstand. And yeah, once I make my bed, I just feel like my life comes together a bit more because I feel inspired to get dressed and then, you know, do like a little deep clean, have some water and have some breakfast as well. I just left Trader Joe's and I am so insistent on buying as little produce as possible in packaging and stuff that I went to Star Market, a different grocery store, to get organic carrot bundles because I'm really into this salad that I made the other day, you guys. The one thing I can't seem to get unpackaged is like a spring mix. I know that the next level for me is just buying lettuce and chopping it up myself, but for now I just kind of grab handfuls of this and then I chop up baby little coin carrots and I do sliced up grape tomatoes and avocado and I season it with balsamic vinaigrette dressing and chili pepper flakes. And you guys, it is so good. Oh, I'm going in reverse. Now I'm headed home to make that salad, have that for lunch, and then continue studying for pulmonary and catching up on some lectures that I'm behind on. But yeah, I got some good apples, bananas, oranges, all from Trader Joe's. And then I got that multi-grain bread I love for my avocado toast. I got some sparkling pink lemonade because I really want to have a cutesy picnic with all my girlfriends. So I'm already gathering supplies for what we could use in that picnic. But yeah, it's just like a beautiful day out. I have my windows down most of the time because it's a little chilly in the shade, but skies are blue and the sun is shining and it's just like, yeah, a really good day. So as you can see, this is kind of why I haven't been going to campus Tuesdays and Thursdays anymore, because in between classes, I'm able to go get my car and get groceries and then, you know, prep a really good lunch instead of running around on campus kind of like having to buy food or buy coffee or something from Starbucks. I just like really don't like doing that. So yeah, it's kind of nice to operate out of my home base, but that is pretty much it for now, and I'm excited to be stocked up on good food because I'm hungry. Okay, so I just finished making my salad, as you guys saw. And it's funny that I would be incorporating carrots into my diet more now lately, because today in my nutrition lecture, we learned that carrots are a really good source of vitamin A. So if you didn't know that, now you know. But I like buying carrots organically and then just skinning them and chopping them up, because I feel like that's one thing I can do to not buy like baby carrots, because apparently baby carrots are bleached. I don't know if you guys knew that, but they also come in like the plastic packaging. So I feel like that's one easy like sustainable swap. My friend Yvette and I, we exchanged letters, and she was talking about how she's trying to incorporate more vegetables into her diet. And I feel like a big part of it is finding servings of vegetables, finding recipes that incorporate vegetables in a way that you find tasty, because this salad has been like all I've been thinking about the past week. And so I've been super excited to make it every day. And I feel like the prep really doesn't take me that long. So anyway, I feel good about this, because if you've been watching my videos for a long time, I feel like there have been many hauls and Trader Joe's things when I talk about my diet and just like what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week, where I acknowledge that I'm really good at eating the right amount of fruits every day, but I struggle to get in the correct amount of vegetables, or like I just don't eat as many green things as I should. So I love this because it looks so colorful, and I'm just like so proud of my new salad recipe. So I hope you guys will try it if you need a new salad recipe. But yeah, super happy. I think I'm gonna go watch The Bold Type, because I'm feeling kind of tired from running around doing errands, and then I'm gonna watch Pulmonary Lectures. If you haven't seen the show The Bold Type, you should absolutely watch. It's on Hulu. I think they're coming back for their last season. I think it's the 6th one or the 5th one, but it's so good. And it's just about these 3 girls that live in New York that, it just inspires me every time I watch it, and makes me want to move to New York. Not that I have any business being in New York versus Boston. Like, what's the difference? It's just a big city. But anyway, my hair is dirty and I need to take a shower and I need to exercise, but I don't want to. I just want to watch TV and eat this salad. Just finished The Bold Type, and I'm about to start recording an episode of the podcast, because I just really don't feel like studying or watching Pulmonary Lectures right now. But I did my hair in this cute little braid style that I think I'm going to keep doing, because I really like the way it looks. But I love daylight savings time. I'm so happy that we moved the clocks forward, I guess, and now we have daylight later. But I also kind of hate it, because I feel like for the first couple weeks while I'm adjusting to it, right now it looks like it's 2 p.m. outside, but it's actually 4 p.m. So there's just less time in the day. And I'm like, why did I not get everything done that I've been meaning to? So anyway, I'm super happy that my room is clean, aside from the few things on my bed, and I get to sit in this sun patch while I record the podcast. So I am out for a walk with these 2 dogs, Lily and Lola. Lily is the golden, Lola's the black one. And we just walked to the top of this hill that has the most beautiful view of the city. Honestly, I don't want to go, or I want to come back here. It looks out. Maybe I can show you guys in a second. It just has this beautiful view. And I'm doing a walk with Lily for 30 minutes and then a walk with Lola for an hour. So that is what's up. But yeah, the top of this hill, this neighborhood is bougie as heck. So it's beautiful out. Oh, it's so pretty. You can kind of see the city behind all the trees. Lola. Lola. Hi, girls. Hi, pretty. Mabel. Hey, girl. Jax. Hi, baby. You guys, it is Thursday. I'm going to end off this vlog because I just looked at all of the videos I have and it's getting kind of long, but I am walking right now to get a full Brazilian wax. If any of you care about that, I thought about making a video about it because I've been getting them for years, and I guess I actually don't get waxed anymore. I go to this place that does sugaring. So anyway, if anyone's interested about that, I might make a vlog because I feel like it would make for a funny experience video. But I hope you guys like this video. You should subscribe, follow me on Instagram, go listen to the podcast because I really like this week's episode, and I hope you do too. And I'll see you in my next video.